My work is has a title is Living Together in Paradise. So it is a story of humor. I would like to turn my idea um, from the reality to the story of humor, because when I was small, I grew up from the apartment block in Hanoi. Uh, Now the government share the apartment block to th- two or three families to live together. So that's why people never satisfied with the living condition. So they have to open extra space, like they open the crèche, and they also doing farming, and they also have animals in the house. So everything is in the tiny house, and all the people in the building know each other, and they all know each other's secrets, and nothing secret anymore. So a lot of terrible things happen between this family and the other families, and a lot of families become very close friends, even closer than brother and sister. The idea of the making diorama came from the trip when I was stay 6 months in New York. So I visit the museum, historical natural historical museum in New York. So a lot of diorama is really fantastic to look at. So I immediately uh, like to turn all the paintings from the past become three-dimensional objects. So the diorama is one of the works like that.